Y'all see what's going on in my head? I just got my hair braided in like 20 minutes. 20 minutes! Happy Wigmas! My channel, I'm your girl Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Guys, it's Saturday and we're getting closer to these holidays. Welcome to my channel. Y'all, today is Saturday and as you see what's going on, we got a little razzle dazzle going on in back here. It's time for holiday collabs, okay? So this video is a collab with my boo Kie RaShon. Y'all, do y'all know who she is? I call this girl my sister cousin. I'm so happy to be doing this collab with her. Y'all, we are collabing and it's so much heat that guess what? We had to bring the heat on Saturday. So yeah, I am collabing with Kie RaShon. She is I call her my sister. Well, I don't know who started sister cousin. Kie, did you start sister cousin? Did I start it? I don't know. But she feel like family. I absolutely adore her. She has been slaying these wig streets for a minute. She's very consistent. She is the ultimate goal of what a wig bae needs to be. Like bam, bam, bam. You see what I'm saying? Y'all like the way I did them effects? I'm proud of the way I did them effects. But it's nice to just have a YouTube friend. Anyway, y'all know what I'm saying. Kie friends with everybody. I thought I was the only one. If you're here from her channel, thank you so much for swinging on by. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig from Fabulosity Wig. Let me show y'all this wig. So I got this wish list wig for y'all today. This is a knotless, a braided wig. Thank you so much for Fabulosity here for sponsoring this video, and I'll definitely leave a link below. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button, especially if you're new, and if you're not, welcome back, but hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna show you guys how to put this wig on and I'll talk to y'all. into this wig. Do y'all see what is happening on my head? Do y'all see what's going on in my head? I just got my hair braided in like 20 minutes. 20 minutes, y'all. 20 minutes. Let me go ahead and give y'all some specs about this wig. So this wig comes from Fabulosity Hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. This is a hand braided unit. It is a full lace braided wig. The color is natural black. It is slightly bleached knots just for like the hairline effect. It says adjustable straps, elastic band, combs attached. The processing time for this takes up to 3 weeks and shipping time 3 to 5 days after it's dispatched. I'll leave a link below. How y'all doing? How are y'all doing? Welcome. It's Saturday, y'all. It's Saturday. What y'all doing with y'all lives besides watching this video? Woo, I got a lot to tell y'all. So I want to let y'all know that this wig legit took all day to film, okay? It took all day. Not because of the wig. It had nothing to do with the wig. It's just I started this wig, as you saw, with no makeup in the morning. And because of the global economy right now, you know, I have to acknowledge the reality of this. I had to do Zoom. I had to go drop my kid off at his little tutoring session. I had to do so much stuff. And I even ran to Ulta. That's how I ended up with an extra bed head that I didn't start off with, okay? So we did a lot in this video. So we're going to get through this video and thank y'all for watching. This wig is just the bomb. It is the bomb.com. This is what we need for our lives right now when we have to do Zoom, when we have to be a mom, when we have to be a wife, when we have to just be a plain old woman that got to run to Target and go pick up some tampons. This is what I need. I don't have time to be going and staying in somebody's shop for 10 hours to get this slayage. I did this wig all throughout the day. Mind you, this does not, I'm excited. I'm loud. I've been drinking. Cheers. Happy Saturday. So I basically did this wig. I installed this wig pretty much all throughout the day. As you guys saw, I did start off with this wig with a little bit of spray right here for security. I felt like this wig, I thought I can go in with just some spray. But I realized that this wig needed a lot more. The cap on this wig is a little snug. That's my only con with this wig. The cap is really snug, so I did have to like kind of pull it down. I was kind of struggling to pull this wig down, but I feel like if you set her right, if you get her right, she gonna be all right. Now normally when I go in with these wigs, I normally just use like an adhesive like my bedhead spray or Got2b glue gel, but this time I did go in with some Ghost Bond glue, and the reason being is because this wig was kind of snug and it was kind of sliding back. I did initially try to go in with some spray and Got2b glue gel, but it was kind of sliding back, so I felt like I needed some security. I needed a clench. I needed it to be on my head. And this Ghost Blonde glue, I used it on the sides and it's melted. Do y'all see what is happening? Do y'all see the slayage right now? This wig is melted. She is melted on my head. So I did go on the sides and I put a couple dots and I smeared it, and I just used my blow dryer and I used cool heat. Make sure that it's tacky. Make sure that it's clear and transparent before you apply the lace and secure it, and you'll be good. If you go in while the glue is still kind of white, it's going to look a little crusty. On the sides here, it's looking a little crusty because, like I said, what I told y'all was happening today. A lot was happening today. So you can't be brushing with this. But I feel like if you go in and you secure her right, she's going to be all right. This wig does come with some baby hairs. It's some baby hairs that you can kind of manipulate the way you want to. I did tweeze and pluck and chop up, and I feel like it looks a little bit more natural when you use baby hairs. I did also go in after I did secure the wig and I melted the lace into my scalp. I used some more spray and I melted it, and you know, she's melted, y'all. She is melted. She is melted. This is quality. This is quality to a next level. This is what we want. This is what we want when we want to go get our hair braided in those shops all day watching them movies, but yet we don't want to go to the shop all day. We just want to put the wig on, and this is what I got. This is what I got. So let's just take a minute to appreciate the quality of these braids. Like, seriously, do y'all see the quality of these braids? This is what you pay for when people say, where'd you get your hair braided? This wig is from Nigeria. Yes, my sis is from Nigeria, but honestly, I feel like Africans braid the best. They might be some Americans that know how to braid, but seriously, my sis in Nigeria, they never disappoint. Every single one of my high-end quality braided wigs have been from Nigeria. They definitely braid with love. This is perfection on my head. Do y'all not see what's happening? This is quality. This is quality right here. I'm so impressed with this wig. This is a knotless braided wig, so you know, it looks like it's just my hair braided. The parts are neat. Like, look at the grids in this part. Seriously, can we please just take a minute to appreciate this wig coming out of my scalp? Look at the grids. Look at the grids. Every single one of the parts are looking like it came out of my scalp. This is a full lace wig. If you want, you can go in with some more powder in between the parts. I went in with powder right here, and you see the difference of the powder right here. Once you go in with a little bit of powder, it just looks like scalp. It looks like scalp. Ain't nobody can tell me that I didn't just go braid my hair for 12 hours all throughout the wig, and I'm so here for it. I am in love. This is a good braided wig. There are some braided wigs that are definitely all the names that we know, we love, that make wigs, that make like synthetic wigs. But this, y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all are not ready. You could pay for that. You could absolutely pay for that. But when you talk about I want quality braids, you need to pay for quality braids. There's a difference between getting the house versus getting the top shelf. Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you? Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you? So as far as the length goes, this wig is super long. She's actually coming down to like my hip. I took a lot of pictures, so definitely check me out on IG, but she's coming down like way past my hip. You can do so much with this wig. You can put this wig up because I have secured her. You can put her up into a ponytail. Like, look at that. Like, you can do so much. It looks like I legit just braided my hair, y'all. I have reviewed another braided unit. I've reviewed a couple braided units before, and I've said it before. I'm never braiding my hair again. When you get quality like this, you don't need to braid your hair. What you braiding your hair for? Get a wig. Get a wig. She did send this little bonnet, which I thought was super cute. This little Fabulosity bonnet. I like it because it's also adjustable. Look at this bonnet, y'all. Ooh, look at that bonnet. You can store your wig in there too. She did also send a little silk bag. She also sent this little bonnet right here. Another bonnet. This bonnet is super cute. This bonnet is super cute. And it's pretty big, but you can store your braids in it. So that's pretty cute. And guess what? Y'all know we matching. We got masks. We got masks. So this wig does start at $180. My wig specifically is 28 inches. So I'll leave a link below where you can purchase this wig and the specs and the price and all of that. I also have a special coupon code for you guys. Check the link below. It's Khrissy. So you can save some extra money on this wig. Make sure you guys hit up my girl RaShon. I will leave a link below. Thank you, Kie, for collaborating with me. This has been an honor. I'm so proud of you. Congrats again on 50K. I see you. I see you. We all see you, boo. If you're going to her channel, make sure you tell her Miss Khrissy sent you. And if you're here from her channel, thank you for coming. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.